Hello, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. I want to welcome everybody to the Daily FX Walkthrough. Going to get started in just a moment. What I'm going to do tonight, as always, is walk through the latest technical report by Jamie Setley at DailyFX.com. So let's go ahead and pull up that report. And there are some bullet points on top. Eurodollar just pips from multi-month resistance line. Break above that shifts focus to 136.31 to the 138.77 zone. Dollar-yen trend still down, and British pound rally likely accelerates soon. So let's go ahead and pull up their charts. There are a couple of charts I want to get through tonight. The first chart is the Eurodollar. Again, that 130.85 trade, breakout trade. And also last night, the trade that I mentioned, a breakout above that 134.13 area, and then a back test. Prices didn't get all the way back down to that 134.14 or 15, 16, 17, whatever that exact print was. But hopefully, you know, they were close enough to definitely warrant a entry with a favorable risk-reward ratio with your stop back beneath that that area. So hopefully you were able to enter on that. As Jamie mentioned in his report, and the link is directly above this video, the first line of resistance was that 136 area. That's what I was mentioning last week, assuming you entered at that 130.85 area. So moving forward, assuming you had a larger position, I mentioned to take some profits near the 134 area, and now again I would mention to take some profits near that 136 area. Maybe hold a very small position just in case this rally materializes a little bit further. Certainly there's a good profit potential right now. As Jamie was mentioning, the mid 140s is, you know, a definite possibility, but right now there are no favorable risk-reward entries. So if you are flat, I would recommend staying flat and wait for a favorable entry. The next chart is the Kiwi dollar. This is the daily chart that I've been using for the past several reports. We can see the clear break above that resistance line. And this is the hourly chart that I had up yesterday, and mentioning that we might wait for a breakout above that 56 figure. And prices right now seem to be coiling just beneath it. So definitely keep your eye on this moving forward. This line, and when I zoom in, we kind of lose it a little bit. But again, that's the 56 figure. Wait for a breakout above there. What we would do is wait for a close on the hourly above that 56 area, and then maybe wait for a back test. Let's say prices close at 56.25. We might then wait for a back test close to that 56 figure, where we would look to enter on the long side with a stop back below the previous resistance line, which we would then expect to act as support. The last chart is the pound dollar, and this is the support line that I was mentioning yesterday. I mentioned that we might wait for a test of that support line, and that's exactly what happened here. There was a penetration by a few pips, but hopefully you were able to get an entry here, and prices have rallied about 300 pips off that support line. So moving forward, I might take a little bit of profit here, just to, again, because this is roughly 300 pip trade, and hold a little bit as well, just in case this rally also continues higher. Again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. Thanks for listening.